Hey YouTube, welcome back guys and happy Friday. Anyway, I thought today was going to be a palace drop. Unfortunately, they did not drop anything today. So I'm going to unbox this. This is the Supreme and Spitfire. One of it is the white t-shirt that I got with the purple swirl design on it. And second item will be the Supreme Spitfire cruiser wheels. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. So make sure there's no invoice. Ooh, ayo, look at it. Supreme. So like always, they come with this Supreme gift bag or shopping bag with the handle. It is pretty messed up and then wrinkled. So let's see what's in here, guys. Unfortunately, I only got one of the box logo decal stickers. So this is the Spitfire 80 HD conical, smooth, soft, lasting speed, quality guarantee. Made exclusively for Supreme. And this is the product description with the barcode and then the color. It says Spitfire, then the size, and then the Supreme on there. And this is the one with the purple swirl design and on white wheels. Then you got your Supreme. So I'm not gonna open this since probably for resale. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into this nice Supreme. This is the white tee with the same swirl design on the shirt. This one is size large. Unfortunately, I tried to get a size medium, but this is the only size that was available, so I was kind of lucky to cop this shirt. And over here it shows the size, Spitfire tee, and then white color, size large, and then that's a barcode number. This is the spring summers 2018, as you can see right there on the left hand side. So that's it. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed real quick. Wow, so you can see Supreme right in the middle of all this swirl circle design. Pretty groovy, eh? There is your Supreme label. pretty strong. 100% cotton, made in USA, size large. Hopefully it's not too big. As you know, the size, the white t-shirt, it looks pretty nice. What? I thought this was supposed to be on the back. So that's the front. And then on the back, you got this small, well, pretty big actually. It says Spitfire Supreme. And it says the end right in the middle of the circle. Alright guys, so this is my unboxing for this Supreme and Spitfire collaboration. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on your bell for notification. And share this with your friend and family on social media, alright? Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out and happy Friday.